adom na the woman say enne yantia sempa enne yantia sempa enne ye memene da eye Saturday enne a date eye 18 February Ghana for da sorry anope yantia sempa ne nyina ne say eye ya Ghanaian player wabobo ama Ghana Black Star I see no bo Xposed ewo eye Turkey eye over there 12 days ago say earthquake ni see Turkey and Syria no na ne building a wohim one ne sports director omakwa akwhya ase ye hu mu no abusafo na Ghana for anya conclusive report areho how eya but abanisa ne nyina no say eye ya enua bema atru fufi antoata ye hu no but wa enya media eya areho asma me kan nyina no me akra no maboto mayemre na me de kasa but yanka enyiye abusha Atsu American sim Atsu 1992 na 2023 wode aye nyamedia eti kabuma that means Atsu is about 30 I think 31 years na wode akwakoyi nyamedia Atsu abobo ama Ghana Black Star na ban sa no obi a react obi a ka one thing abe dominate conversation here Atsu adoye ewura no nipasu oni obi a kasa Atsu de we ni papa wo Atsu de adoye wo Atsu de adoye wo it looks like ni din de eno no obi ebo iti na Ghana fo ebo mpae se de ni papa we ye no ni pipa ne na adoye a we ye no eka nature any nima bi intervene ma no nanka nima bi nsisi yi ma no but amane say de nyame pe na wo ye the agent a confirm me say ye hu no wo free na ono one best friend ye wakaso so akasa akire mu say wo free a lot of people local celebrities Ghanaians are reacting chirim na ya obi a suni ajajo no obi etwa because obi a nansusu mo kai say about 2 days ago sports any manager because say omoko theki no omo hia mo resources no form it looks like abambuo yaba na omutimi tracy ya ko hu ne room no omukonya ne room no ade omunya free on a pair of shoes you know mo hu no diary and a few other things but na Atsu any ho that was the report about bonten. And actually, another report is about Bontain, and it said first earthquake in the car was you see a two free ni them mobile from the car echo parking garage and a second earthquake AC. There was hope say the main building no collapse in the year a different place now. Attention was shifted to look for him elsewhere. Now I was young. The Yamepe anyway. I share true. Ya do suko ahwehwema no ye nya Atsu enne na yekonya Atsu no Atsu ayenyamedia eti Ghana for mo ya na ya bompaye na ya kaye Atsu na ya bompaye na ya kaye Atsu enra mpo enra Friday babonten se omakohu Atsu passport ne passport e ma ne be da bonten GH page kra okwa platforms here de to so se ye hu Atsu passport eti there was hope say we are getting closer to see be find Atsu and chena the Xposed management de report ba bonten se omanya reports oma retrieve no it's omo the pictures and the images are share across all the hospitals in Turkey looking for him say ebia wakako pie ba bi no de na kwato hospital bi eno so nanka nyame mo na yentimi hu Atsu eno so no Ghana for try e bompaye e the tie management na chi so ombe boa ma ye hu no but eno na dudomu hu kohwehwe mu no ye ko hu Atsu no anye ade no enya sei benim die de Atsu ebeba Ghana de but this is current state GH page and Saka the management is putting up a report as I speak with you a report about Bontain management is putting up a report about Bontain enche mekai say so many people were calling on the government of Ghana say my entranchen nka say God should help Atsu girls should help Atsu yemfa omufo mundom omufo mumfra na omumwa na yenyina no yenko hwe Atsu I remember said there was so much calls on the government of Ghana whatever they were doing behind the scenes they are Oman country, but we are waiting to see what the the sports GFA for Baba catcher after, you know, because it looks like you're anti maybe in free or more. A beer, a fear with free day, but TBB a free or more. The same way goes for the government of Ghana. You name the embassy in so yet, because I remember said the embassy came out to tell Ghanaians said every Ghanaian in Turkey has been accounted for except Christian Atsu. It's, you know, omo put up effort, but yeah, until one symbiote. And now we are waiting for the also reports on how things unfolded. A then you didn't buy it. Saying at the end of the day, you know, I would say Ghana for expecting a report from the embassy. The embassy, Ghana embassy will take it. So maybe at you and through them, no, the government of Ghana so encan GFA for so no, or my silent at now which you many and you know we are all being said. As a we are my idea, you bet you almost on Kano can be Anya Shino, a true a Ghana this year. A true a bobo, I'm a Ghana pain. A true a yippee, a true a doye, a kunafo, or more with the prisons, a true a yarefo, a true a saw my yaria show. It is enough for Ghanaians, say yes, you will sooner, say yes, Sophia this year, ayera. It's no Ghana paying for Ghana Titiru, Ghana this year. Asema GHP and Saka ye de bremone, no. The Sakanene. Areho, me no Cassina my bottle, me no Cassina my emre, me no Cassina my emobo. But I say, Yenishi, eka. Yesi de nyame pay. Anyway, dear or no otutubunsuna or bonsu or boss robasase or boy riano or no dear or pay wiase anyway. It's abani say ya na abanisa. Bijidi say ye queen nimu minim say new reports ebe babontin in chirichirim be babontin die de a true eba bedru eye Ghana kuruma no so no eno so no ebe babontin na kwanya na ye na bibia so be ye no eno so no ebe babontin e ba ne sa GHP je fan kame mo da ya fan kame mo da eti Ghana fo ene usu a na wosu atru wo ye yie na wo twa jaju a na wo di atru aka ho because ya hwere adekase ya hwere ye dehye ya hwere obi ani munyam Ghana dehye a na wo hye Ghana ani munyam e wo baabi Ghana dehye de ato ye no no ha na mede nkomotwetwe ni nyina abesi